Gates open, they're up and racing. Musashi shows alertness at the start, moving up in between runners. Red Ransom and running in between runners is number 4 Think Tank, running on the outside is Storm Gas together with Angel Dugo. Ale Alays by the rail. Dancing Storms running alongside. Next in line Queen Alicia, Miss Manila, and Action Sailor is running at the tail of the field, about to pass the half-mile pole. We have two runners fighting it out for the lead, running by the rail. Red Ransom, then rushing a party outside is Storm Gus, dropping back in third. Musashi is sneaking in by the rail. Dancing Storms, Angel Dugo. Ale comes next, then running in 17th Tank, running on the outside. Third last is Queen Alicia, second last by the rail Miss Manila, while Action Sailor still in behind them as they turn for home. 1A Storm Gust, now the leader by about a length and a half. Dancing Storms running in second by the rail, then racing in third, moving a party outside. Ale Red Ransom with a last 75 meters. Penultimate race belongs to 1A is Storm Gust, second Dancing Storms, then comes Ale, Angel Dugo, and Miss Manila.
Okay. Crossing the